Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add pictures to CapCut. For that, you just have to launch your CapCut mobile application, and once you are on the home page, you will have to tap on the option of new project. Now once you tap on new project, by default you will be shown all of the videos that you have in your device, but as you want to add pictures to your CapCut project, you will have to tap on the photos tab in the top. After that, you just have to select any of the photos that you want to add in your CapCut file, and after selecting it, you will have to tap on the add button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Once done, you will be able to see that the photo that you have selected is now in your project. Now if you want to add any other picture on top of it, then in order to do so, you will have to click on the overlay tab in the bottom. Once done, you will be shown this add overlay button. So simply need to tap on add overlay, and then you will be redirected on this photos tab again, where you can select any other image if you want, and then you will have to tap on add. Once you do this, as you can see that this particular photo is now on top of the photo that we have selected previously. Now if you want to add any video into your project, then in order to do so, you again have to click on the overlay button in the bottom, then again have to click on the add overlay. After that, you will have to select the videos tab, and then you will have to select any of the videos that you want to add in your project, and once you have done that, you will have to tap on the add button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Once done, you will be able to see that the video is also added in your project. Now you can edit your photos and videos, you can add text, animation, effects on it. Now once you have edited all of your pictures in the CapCut, if you want to export it, then you will have to click on this export button in the top right hand corner of the screen, and your project will be start exporting in your device. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.